Hello, hello, hello. I am Terry B. Jones coming to you live on today with another really cool marketing strategy to grow your brand, reach, and revenue using email autoresponders. Now, I know you guys have been following me. You know that I have been promoting Traffic Wave as an email autoresponder where you can basically get started with email marketing 30 days for free so you can try it out, see how it works for your particular product or service. And on today, though, I'll be sharing with you Aweber. Okay, Aweber is the first email autoresponder that I got introduced to once I came online, and it was used basically by your big, internet marketers, 5 and 6 figure internet marketers, selling their products or services, right? And so, anyway, of course, I began to learn about other autoresponders that are available. And now, on today, because Aweber actually has it to where you can get, I'll show you right here, you can actually get a free account at Aweber, okay? And the subscribers that you will be able to have in a free plan is 500, okay? Now, if you want to upgrade to a pro plan, of course, you have unlimited subscribers, just like with Traffic Wave, okay? And then, of course, with the number of emails per month, with the free plan, you'll be able to send out 3,000 emails per month with the free plan versus unlimited if you upgrade to pro. Okay. And so basically, most of the autoresponders pretty much are the same concept. Okay. And so with Aweber, like I said, you can get started for free. And if you need my assistance with setting up, then I can help you with that. You can just type in the comments, set up, okay? And I will reach out to you and we can go from there. Now, today I'm going to show you basically here's how you just go to aweber.com, and in order for you to create a virtual business card, which I'll be sharing with you on today, is you just go to landing pages, okay? And once you go to your landing pages, you click on create a landing page. All right. So in here, of course, it's all kind of templates in here that you can use. If you are in the e-commerce space right here, you can actually create a landing page in here for that. If you are having an event, a webinar, if you have a freebie that you want to share with someone. Of course, when we talk about freebies, we're talking about creating like an ebook or maybe a 4 video course that you will be sharing with some your subscribers valuable content. Okay, we want to share valuable content to build know, like, and trust that leads to sales. Okay, and of course, there's opt-in pages, thank you pages. If you're a consultant, okay, if you have a blog, podcast. So anyway, here are all of your landing pages. So the one in particular, this is a new one that has been added to Aweber. Okay, so Aweber is constantly creating landing pages to stay up to date and trending and all those types of things. So you have a virtual business card, because right now, even though we're working from home and we're kind of getting out a little bit, when you go out, because we don't want to do a whole lot of touching, okay? And yeah, you may have your business cards that you pass out, but now you want to get with what's happening, what's new, what's trending, okay? The new way, to share your content, and it is with a virtual business card, okay? So I'm going to just click to preview it first. I'll preview it for you to see what it's going to look like. So right here, I have your image, have a QR code, so that when you're on your phone, basically they can just go to QR code and get your information. And of course, your name, your position, a link to your website, and some quick facts. And of course, here's where they can put their name and email address on here, okay? And sign up to your email list. How cool is that? All right. And so that's just a look at that. Now let's click on choose. Okay. So in here, in order for me to change from this person to me, okay, I don't want my virtual card to have someone else's image. I just click on here, upload an image, or if you already have images in here, which I do have some images in here. Let me see if it's one. No. Okay, so in here, if you wanted to just choose some images to put in your particular spot, then you can choose from stock images, and then here are my images, right? So which one I'm going to choose? For sure, I'm going to choose that one for now, okay? I'll just choose that for now, just to kind of let you guys see how this works, okay? And then in here, I can come in here and I can change this to my name, of course. Let's do that. Terry B. Jones. I always use the B because there's so many Terry Jones. And yeah, it's a very common name. So I always put my B in there so that you'll know. All right. So I put my name in here, and right here where it has website link. Okay. What I can do right here is click on this link right here. Okay. And what that's going to do is that's going to, I can have right now the display text says website link. I can leave that there, or I can change that, you know, to Terry B. Jones link, or like I said, just leave it like that. And then here is where I will put a link to my website. Okay. And I'm going to put in here, I'll put in Terry WeVoice. No. I'll put in terrybjones.info. That's one of my websites, okay? Right, so when that is clicked on, that's exactly where they're going to go, all right? And of course, quick facts, I can click in here, change that. Let's see here. And virtual business card, I can have a video in here. Basically, I can click in here and put a video, and basically here's pretty much all of the stuff that can be done, okay? And all you would need to do at that point, let's see here, save. I can save it. Let's preview it. See? All right. And then let's go back to editor, and then save and exit. Okay. And this will show you what it looks like on a phone. Okay, so if you're like, oh, I don't really like how that looks or whatever, then you can go in and change that. Okay, so how cool was that to create that there? Okay, and so basically, I mean, that's a simple way to just get your virtual business card created. All right. I am Terry B. Jones, coming to you live again on today with another really cool strategy to grow your brand, your reach, and revenue. So as you're out, you know, going to different gatherings locally, okay, you definitely want to take advantage of creating a virtual business card for your particular business, okay? And until next time, continue to grow your list and increase your brand awareness, okay?